Hey guys, we just woke up and we're headed to breakfast. Alright boys, I'm drinking strawberry kiwi enhanced water. Doesn't that look good? Ooh. Also I got a muffin and now I might get a bagel. Look at this cool plane. Matthew probably shouldn't touch it. Look at this cool helicopter. It's pretty cool. Yo, we have that plane in GTA, the like really fast one. That's so cool. Look at this. Ooh, look at that gun. Oh yeah, look at that. You better take a picture of you guys. Alright boys, we're going in. Look at that. It's so cool. I don't even know this. This is like the torpedo. Go through that hole right there. It goes like boom. So you it's pretty cool. Shower, mom. Yo, look at this. Look at that bathroom. Look at that like middle-aged toilet. And then there's still toilet paper in it. Look at that, man. How old is it? Look at this kitchen. Oh boy, stealing this shit. Ooh. Bro is cooking food for his homies. Ooh. Look at there's a bed right under the torpedo. This is a World War II bomber. And the propellers are all jacked up. I don't know what's up with them. Look at these cool guns. Thanks. Movie. Look at all these Japanese ships. There's a lot of them. And these are like the bombs that they used. Look at that. That's massive. These are the cool things. Like these things clamp on your shoulders. They're kind of broken. They clamp on your shoulders. And then like all the way up here. Look at that. Pretty high. This is like the control room. Like the steering wheel over there, the ship's wheel over there. And then all this other stuff. There's like a slit right here, but I can't really see through. Okay, well, I saw that guy walk past, but that's about it. Yo, it's like a hurricane! Here I am. Matthew, do the wind thing, do the wind thing. Stand, I need my phone to be back. Stand in front of the wind. Look. He's like leaning forward and the wind's catching him. Bro, it's so crazy!
In preparation for a new duty assignment, the Pacific Theater.
I think this is like the doctor's room.
No.
What is this? What room is it?
It was the oil and water testing lab.
Oh. Pause if you want to read. But I'm not. We just finished watching the movie. Oh, this is cool. This is like the fire. This, you know. They got like wrenches and stuff. They got gas masks. This is cool. Oh yeah, they got a chapel in here. That's pretty cool. You have a church. Whoa. This is so, look at that, that's so cool. What is this? They're just like, there's a guy in there.
One of the many days of gaming down in space, we're trying to get the job done. Thanks for stopping by and having a look. We're about to get really busy.
Turn around.
All clearance out of the water equipment. Alright, now keep that pump going.
Well, look at this. Popeye, the deep sea diver. What kind of triple feature? What the heck? These are the Marines. They got a grenade launcher. They got grenades in the back. They got this dude. Alright guys, this is where where dad slept. So this is like inside. Well, it's kind of blurry. I'm gonna try and get a better shot. Just. I'm gonna drop my phone in there. If I drop my phone, I'd never get it back. This is the X-ray room. For if you look on that desk, look. I don't know if you can see. Oh, on up there. I just saw that. So there's a bunch of surgical weapons. And here, this is where they make the potions and stuff. Look at all that. There's a lot, like everywhere. I don't think I trust anything that came down here. There's a bunch of like powders in the back. Look at that. Yo, there's a lot of torpedoes down here. Oh shoot, look at all of that. There's so many in the back. Wow. I'm going down. Ooh, whoa. I might never see you guys again. There's 2 staircases. Oh, wow. Yo, this is like a dungeon. There's even more. This is crazy. This is the like combat room where they look at the maps and like fire the missiles. Alright boys, we're going deep. Wow. This really. Yeah, this is like everything. This can like
freaky?
what? How do you know all these controls? Yo. Dad, pick up the phone. Yo, this place is
Over here,
mad.
scary.
This place. This is a butcher shop. Got a guy cutting meat, and it's like where they hang it up and slice the meat. Those potatoes, they're like cheesecake. Those are like fruits. This is the brig. This is also like the prison. That's pretty cool. Goodbye. Bro, left. Lay down. Top. On the bottom. I don't know, it's pretty dirty. Dirty. Oh my gosh, he's such a menace. Oh. Is it comfy? You know, low key, I could easily sleep on this. This is the memorabilia of 1942 USS Albania crewman. Also 1947. With that flag, it's really cool. Bro's got a banana in here. We're in the simulation right now. We're taking off.
Viper's joint. Roger, Viper.
Oh my gosh, he's giving a press conference. I'm so excited. Yes, it's on. Hello. My name is Don Quavius Figglebottom. Hi guys, we're at dinner at Felix's. We're seated, and we got a cool ocean view. Alright boys, I got a hamburger. Mom got shrimp. Matthew got a hamburger with mushrooms.
It was a steak.
Dad, what'd you get? Mahi mahi? Yeah. This
I
is
think like 130.
We got cheesecake. It's pretty
Because
good. Alright guys, to end off the vacation, we're playing Yahtzee. And I bet I'm gonna win. I got a Yahtzee on the last game.